This AI trick I discovered recently has completely changed how I run my business. And I know it will do the same for you. It will save you time, money, and if you are anything like me, an overthinker, headache. Imagine having your very own AI assistant built to do exactly what you need in the way you want, delivering precise answers and results in minutes and maybe even with one click. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today, how to create your very own custom GPT inside ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. Welcome back, or welcome if we haven't met yet. My name is Radka and I'm AI and online marketing expert. And today I'm walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up, customize, and start using your very own custom GPT. Trust me, this is way easier than you might think. Follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully personalized GPT that can automate tasks, streamline your workflows, and save you time in minutes. So, what is Custom GPT? It's your very own tailored version of ChatGPT. It's designed specifically for your need. With it, you can set its own tone and personality. You can train it to focus on what's important to you. Ensure you get consistent, high-quality answers every time. Think of it like it's your dream AI assistant, but without any coding or complex setup. All right, let's open up ChatGPT website in case you have never been here before. So first, what we want to do is to get the paid version of it. I believe it's $20 a month. Trust me, $20 a month for the amount of time, a headache, and what it can actually do for you is ridiculously cheap, and it's worth every single penny. So once we have the paid version of it, you will have a menu on the left side where you will find something what's called Explore GPTs. When you click on this, it will show you a menu of pre-built bots for you might want to try. But what we've got to do, we want our own. So on the top of the page, we see Create button, which we click. And here we have it. What we've got to do is to fill up all this form, which I will show you how to do. But for the time saving purpose, I will show you what I built just the other day, which is this LinkedIn post assistant. So how to edit it, I go on the top of the page and hit the Edit GPT button. And here you have it. This is all what we did last week. So let me walk you through step by step how this is done and what you can expect. So first we upload the photo, which in our case, we did our logo, but you can use even AI to generate one for you. It's just to keep your menu quite clean of what you are looking for. So it makes it easier for you to find your assistant. Then you give it a name. The simpler, the better, because you might want to use to share it with your team or maybe with some other people. So it's good to have a very clear name of what it's got to do. Then give it a short description. I like to use I am for it. However, you don't really have to. So what we said is I'm a marketing expert for LinkedIn, helping to create high impact LinkedIn content for Trade Success Hub, which is obviously my brand. And then you go to description. This is the most important part. When I was building it, I knew what I want, but I wasn't sure how to give it the right instruction for it to do the best job possible. So what I did, I opened another window in ChatGPT and I said to it what it's got to do. I give it the name, I give it description, and then I said to it, ask me any questions, as many as you need to know what you're doing and to do the best job possible. So then it gave me about 25 questions. I answered. We had about half-hour discussion about what is that I actually need and looking for him to. And then I said, give me simple instructions so you do understand what I want you to make. It's not perfect because, for example, it left the purpose in and out, which I don't need it to really remember how many posts and the strategy, because it's still you have to do the input for it to make the job. And the way you put the input is via here, the conversation starter. So, for example, I said to it, just give me a post, then create carousels. Then, I don't know why I wrote this one. Maybe I don't need this one at all. Then create the short form video script with an AI tip of the week. Then for Facebook ads, then for a Google ranking, SEO. So it give me some content ideas of what to post about, and then 2 text posts including images. So this is what I set it up for. It can be always improved. But what I like about this custom GTP, it's because you will say it who your target audience is, and you will say also the tone and the style, the structure of how you make the posts. So it feels and look like you really posting it, and it's personalized to your brand and to you. Also, I gave it instruction to formatting. I said what to don't do, to use a formal language, and also use the same call to action repeatedly. Keep it very natural. Then I also give it our website link so it can read what we are more about. But if I don't want to give it a website link, or I think it's not very enough information on our website, I can upload files. The files are incredible because you can take either doc or PDFs. That's the two I would recommend, because I believe it's you can upload up to 10 files of information into it. So you can train it much better in case the instruction is not enough for you. You don't have to copy and paste everything what you have in the documents if that's important for you and what you wanted to do, but you can directly upload files. Then we have capabilities as a web search, canvas, and generate images. I usually would leave all three available. However, if there is something specific, like for example, if I hire a new assistant and I wanted to help me with hiring process, I would most probably don't let it to do the web search, because this is something particular just within my company. Then there is a new actions on the bottom, which I haven't explored properly, just to be honest. So I would just leave it out for now. So once you have it all done, just update it. And you can view your GPT. I don't know why I'm keep saying GTP anyway, so bear with me. So this is how you're going to see it every time you will click on the menu link. This is what it gives you. And this is the conversation starters. And anytime you basically click on one of those, which you like, it will give you exact command to make it. So as you can see, it will create the posts. In this scenario, I clicked on the short form video script, so it will give me also the camera actions. So, yeah, that's what it does. Then I have the same for our AI outreach assistant, for example. So what I wanted to do is to give me a list of only 5 big companies I can outreach on LinkedIn, build a relationship, and eventually sell them on our AI assistant. So every time I will click this link, it will give me 5 of them, and it will never repeat itself. So this is, for example, what it will give me. Amazing, eh? So I don't have to always input what I needed to do, and not always open new chat or find the old chat. And that's it. Now you have your very own custom GPT ready to boost productivity, automate tasks, and make your life way easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new content, which is usually on AI, paid ads, SEO, automations, and how to grow your business online. I've got plenty more videos coming, so stay tuned. And if you're ready to make your business to the next level with AI automation, lead generation, check out the links in the description. See you in the next video.